All right, Gracie Grace, tell the camera what you're doing.
I'm peeling the tomatoes and then I'm going to cut it. Now I'm going to wash it. But first I'm going to move the can close to the sink and turn on the cold water. Now to
Wow, you got a plan.
We got a new stove.
Whole procedure for making our media.
We have a new stove and a new refrigerator, and we have a new microwave in the box.
Okay. Your box? Or are you gonna wear your owl? Okay, what do you do first? Oh, remember we gotta turn it on. Yeah, hold the bell. Yeah, there you go. Oh, give it a second, honey. There you go. Okay, put a owl down there. There you go.
How much does he weigh?
Looks like 144 grams. Hey, honey, you ready to help mommy?
Okay, what do we do?
Okay, here's your quarter cup. Hold that. And then, is it okay if I pour, or did you want me to pour? We're just gonna, okay, hold the quarter cup over the bowl there. And I am right-handed. Okay. Blah, you made this, baby girl. Yeah, pour it in there. And then we're gonna do that for the other ones too. Blah. Okay. Looks pretty clear, doesn't it? Oops. We don't actually want the potatoes, we just want the potatoes. Little girl, I didn't fill out the cup yet. There we go. All right. So then, we're gonna need some sugar. Do you want to just put it on the counter for me, honey?
Yeah.
Sure. Okay, so can you put 2 of these into each? Here, I'll move this so it's a little bit easier.
Okay.
Into each bowl. Oh, I love how you're leveling it. Excellent. Did you want a knife to level it?
Yes.
Okay. Pour it all in.
I poured it all in.
Excellent.
Yeah.
You know what to do? Oh, yeah. Look at that. Did you put 1 in here or 2? I think you just put 1, right?
Yes.
Okay. Well, you can put another one in there. Beautiful.
We can do one more just for fun.
Well, why don't we put another one in this one? Well, you probably want to level it before you. It's okay, honey. It's gonna be fine. Yep, and then 2 into the last one. So how many of those spoonfuls did you put all together? 2, 2, and 2. What's that?
1.
No. 2 plus 2 is
I don't know.
4. Plus another 2 is 6.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Exactly. All right, you're all set. You're all set with the sugar. Now the last thing you need, here, take this. I'll close this up.
For what? Do you need a knife?
I guess that's up to you, sweetheart.
Okay.
All right. So you want to grab a spoon of this. You know what this is called? It's called agar.
Do we do another one?
Yeah. Oh, other one. Sorry, that was. I'm sorry, I misunderstood what you were asking, sweetheart.
Mm-hmm. We should do.
Just do one more.
We should do 2. We should do 2 in each one.
Why?
I don't think I poured it in.
No, yes, you did.
I didn't pour it.
You did fine, baby.
Now what?
Okay, now can you put the lids on each one?
Here.
Lovely.
Ugh.
Ugh.
Then can I stake them?
Yeah, that would be perfect. Oh, gotta make sure they're on really tight. How's that feel? You feel it? Shake, shake, shake.
What's
Shake, shake, shake.
What's happening?
Now we're going to cook them. And then we're going to play with them.
Play?
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Can you get it for me?
No, you can go get it. All right. Pour out the water. Pressure cooker.
That's a lot of water, Nate.
Yep.
That's
Do you think we can fit all three of these in there? I don't know. I need a bigger pressure cooker. So I need... That'll fill it like that. Yeah, look at that. All right. Time to cook.
Can I watch my movie?
Ah! There you go. Okay, take your toothpick. Put it in the fuzzy stuff. Oh, that's kind of cool. Okay, you just need a little bit so that you can't even see it. Can you see it on the toothpick? Here, show me.
Nothing.
Nothing. Okay, here.
No.
Yeah, baby, come here. Put it in there. Alrighty.
Nothing.
Okay. Put a little more. Yep. So you can't even see it. Okay. You're really having fun there, aren't you, big girl? Okay, put it in. Okay, well, put it... Oh, no, you can see it, baby. Just a little bit.
Nothing.
No. There we go. See that? I can't see anything on the toothpick. All right, put it in there. All right. So, question is, we've been boiling it. If we boil it again, now we know that if we do nothing else, thank you, sweetheart, something gray and fuzzy will grow from the invisible that we touched, that we got from the gray and fuzzy. Look at that goodness. So the question is, if we boil one of these, will it still grow the gray fuzzy stuff?
Look.
I know, that's so cool. All right, let's find out.